If you've got a stock tank or a pond and you want to keep it clean with algae, you got fish, turtles. We ordered these little baby turtles online. They were so cute.
The girls are getting their birthday surprise.
You can open your eye.
A turtle? Turtle!
About the size of a quarter. And they quickly outgrew our aquarium. We had them in a 55-gallon tank for a while. But I went ahead and got this 400-gallon stock tank outside.
I got the dream tank.
You did.
It was 400. That's the only one they had that was this size.
You started out with $250.
I was gonna build a wooden box around it.
So we've got turtles and fish in here.
Okay, let's go see if they like it, guys.
Ooh, look. Oh, wow. Where did the turtle?
AlgaeFix is really safe for everything but shrimp and snails, basically. You couldn't see the bottom of this. This was solid green about 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, look how green it is, and I'll show you how clean it gets.
To start it, you do the required treatment. They'll say every 3 days. Do the math, figure out how many gallons you have. Do the correct dosing. If you overdose, it's bad. If you underdose, it doesn't do anything. So figure out how many gallons you have so you can do the math to know how much to put in here. And then every 3 days, you put that dose in until it clears. So it took about 2 weeks, every 3 days. And then now throughout the summer, I'll just have to once a week add the dose. But look at how crystal clear this is. One thing you want to do is lots of aeration while you're treating it because it takes the oxygen out of the water. Look at that, crystal clear. It's just maintenance every week. You just do one dose.